Do you think you really understand Earth, the planet we live on every day? Most people think of Earth as just a blue sphere, but in reality, this planet holds secrets that science has yet to unravel. From strange phenomena and super deep structures beneath the ground, to mysteries in the oceans and skies. In today's video, I'll take you on a journey to explore the top 10 facts about Earth that will surely leave you amazed. You'll be surprised to learn that our planet is not just a place we live, but a world full of things never seen before. And here, so twist. Fact number 7 will make you see Earth in a completely different way, to the point where you won't believe your eyes. Before we begin, if you love discovering the secrets of our planet and the universe, hit like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now, let's dive in and explore. Fact 1. Earth is not a perfect sphere. Did you know that the Earth we imagine as a perfectly round sphere is actually not perfect at all? Earth is shaped like an ellipse, meaning it's slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. This might sound minor, but it actually has a huge impact on gravity and even on time itself. If you stand at the North Pole, you'll weigh slightly less than if you stood at the equator. Strange, isn't it? The reason is centrifugal force as Earth spins on its axis, which causes the equator to bulge outward, reducing the pull of gravity there just a little. This also explains why 2D maps of Earth are always distorted. Have you noticed how Greenland looks many times larger than it really is on world maps? That's the result of projecting Earth's 3D ellipsoid shape onto a flat surface. Surprising, right? A planet we think of as a perfect sphere is actually a little misshapen. And that's only the beginning of the strange secrets Earth is hiding. Fact 2. Earth's core is still a mystery. Have you ever wondered what lies deep inside our planet? How far have humans actually drilled down? The truth is, no one has ever reached Earth's core. The core lies about 6,371 kilometers beneath the surface, where temperatures can reach 5,000 to 60 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is so immense it could crush anything humans could build. Scientists rely on seismic data vibrations from earthquakes to guess Earth's internal structure. Thanks to that, we know Earth has a solid inner core, a liquid outer core, a mantle, and a crust. But countless mysteries remain unsolved. Some scientists even believe there could be giant tunnels or strange structures hidden inside the Earth that we haven't discovered yet. Sounds like science fiction, but it's real science. Can you imagine? Billions of people live on Earth's surface, but beneath their feet lies a molten, mysterious world that no one has ever truly seen. Fact 3. Earth has its own sound. It might sound unbelievable, but Earth actually produces sounds even if most of us can't hear them. These sounds aren't like wind or thunder, but tiny vibrations from Earth's crust, oceans, and atmosphere, many of which are in the form of ultrasound. Scientists call these vibrations Schumann resonances, or the heartbeat of the Earth. They are created by lightning strikes bouncing between the ground and the atmosphere, making the planet resonate at a very low but steady frequency. What's fascinating is that these vibrations affect living beings. Some studies suggest Earth's resonance can influence human sleep, mood, and even health. So every time you walk, breathe, or sleep, you're actually in sync with the hidden rhythm of the planet. Magical, isn't it? A world full of sounds we can't hear with our ears, yet they're always surrounding us. Fact 4. Earth once had 2 suns. It sounds like a sci-fi movie, but according to astronomers, our solar system may once have been a binary star system. This means Earth might have once had 2 suns shining in its sky. At some point billions of years ago, the second star disappeared, possibly swallowed by a larger star or ejected into space. But traces of its existence may still remain in the orbits of planets. And simulations suggest this lost star could explain many strange astronomical phenomena we see today. Just imagine Earth with 2 suns casting light and shadows, and days that looked nothing like what we know now. Incredible, isn't it? It reminds us that Earth has always been a planet of change and transformation. Have you ever pictured a sky with two suns? It would completely change how we see our world. Fact 5. Earth cools itself naturally. Did you know Earth has its own way of balancing temperature and cooling itself? Hey, it's not magic, it's the result of complex natural processes. For example, volcanic eruptions, though dangerous, release CO and ash that reflect sunlight, temporarily lowering global temperatures. The vast oceans act as giant cooling reservoirs, absorbing heat from sunlight and redistributing energy around the globe through ocean currents. Even polar ice caps and sea ice help regulate Earth's climate by reflecting sunlight and keeping the planet stable. In a way, Earth functions like a self-healing system, constantly adjusting to maintain life. The amazing part is that you can directly feel these processes happening. They the reason we survive. How incredible is it that the planet we call home is always protecting itself in ways far beyond our control? Fact 6. Parts of Earth remain untouched and unexplored. Did you know that even in the 21st century, are still places on Earth that no human has ever set foot on? Dense Amazon rainforests, the deep oceans, and massive cave systems remain in their pristine, untouched state. Every year, scientists discover hundreds of new species, from glowing fish in the deep sea to insects never seen before in the jungles. This proves that Earth still holds countless mysteries, and we've only explored a tiny fraction of it. Just imagine, on the very planet we think we know, there are places where sunlight rarely reaches and life exists in ways we cannot even imagine. It's a reminder that Earth is full of surprises waiting to be uncovered. Have you ever dreamed of becoming an explorer, discovering new species or hidden lands? This planet still has room for those daring enough to venture into the unknown. Fact 7. Earth has its own heartbeat. One of the strangest facts is that Earth actually has a heartbeat known as the Schumann resonance, electromagnetic vibrations that occur between Earth's surface and the ionosphere. These vibrations resonate at a steady frequency of about 7.83 Hz, influencing every living creature on the planet. Some studies suggest they can affect human mood, heart rate, and even sleep. Imagine this. Every time you sleep, you're in sync with the heartbeat of Earth. It sounds both magical and a little eerie, but it's real. Perhaps this is why humans have always felt an invisible connection to the planet, even if we can't see or hear it directly. This also raises a question. If the Schumann resonance were to change, would life on Earth change with it? Science is still searching for answers. Fact 8. Earth moves at incredible speeds without you noticing. Do you ever feel like Earth is standing still beneath your feet? In reality, it's moving at mind-blowing speeds through space, but we barely notice it. Rotation on its axis, about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. Orbit around the Sun, about 30 kilometers per second. That's 108,000 kilometers per hour. The solar system itself races through the Milky Way at 828,000 kilometers per hour. All of this motion happens smoothly thanks to inertia, which is why everything on Earth's trees, buildings, and even us feels completely still. Hard to believe, right? Every day we eat, work, and sleep, but in reality, we're surfing through space at unimaginable speeds. This fact changes the way you see the world around you. Fact 9. Earth once experienced a global ice age long ago. Earth went through several global ice ages where almost the entire planet was frozen over. These may have happened billions of years ago, when the climate was so cold that even the oceans nearly froze solid. Life at that time had to adapt in extraordinary ways. Tiny organisms survived in caves, cracks in ice, or deep in the oceans, slowly evolving to withstand the extreme conditions. This resilience is proof of the incredible tenacity of life on Earth. It also shows us that our planet is never static, it constantly changes. From brutal ice ages to today's warmer climate, Earth has always been a living, dynamic system. Can you imagine our planet once being a giant snowball Earth? Just the thought makes us feel small in the face of nature's power. Fact 10. Earth will be completely different in the future. Finally, here is a fact that is both fascinating and unsettling. Earth will not stay the same forever. In about 5 billion years, as the sun ages, its heat will increase, causing oceans to evaporate, ice to melt, and the planet to become uninhabitable. Scientific models predict that Earth's geography, climate, and oceans will look nothing like they do now. Mountains may erode away, deserts will expand, and today's life forms will no longer exist. But don't worry, the changes will take billions of years. By then, other planets or celestial bodies may offer new homes, and humanity might find ways to adapt or migrate. This fact reminds us that Earth is a living, evolving planet. What we can do today is protect it before irreversible damage makes it unlivable for us much sooner than the sun does. Have you ever thought about Earth's distant future? Knowing our planet won't last forever makes every moment we have here even more precious. So, we've just explored the top 10 amazing facts about Earth, from its imperfect shape, mysterious core, and hidden sounds and heartbeat, to its incredible speeds through space, and even the dramatic changes awaiting in the distant future. Each fact reminds us that Earth is a living, ever-changing planet, still full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. What seems ordinary often hides the most fascinating surprises. Now I want to know which fact impressed you the most. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts and join the discussion. If you enjoy videos about the mysteries of our world and the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next adventure. And if you want to keep exploring, click on the video right here about Earth's massive supercontinent where we'll uncover how our planet has transformed over billions of years. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.